In this tutorial, we're going to create mountains and terrains by using the new Landmass plugin in Unreal Engine 5.7. Yes, so welcome to a new tutorial regarding this landmass technique in Unreal Engine 5.7. Last tutorial, I have created a huge terrain by using this landscape method in Unreal Engine 5.7. But today I'm going to show you how this Landmass plugin working in Unreal Engine 5.7, which is a total different method. It acts like a blueprint. If think that we don't want to use this third-party plugins like Gaia, World Creator or TerraGen for our world generation or terrain generation. So instead of that, we can use this Landmass thing. Landmass plugin to create a procedural landscape. You can create huge mountains or huge terrains by using this plugin. Let me show you how to enable that plugin for the first time. You have to go to the edit section and go to the plugins and just type land. So you'll see this Landmass, which is a beta variant. You can see Epic recommends using caution when shipping projects with the beta plugins. So keep that in mind. This is a beta variant, not final. So if you mark this one and you have to restart the Unreal Engine, so you can enable this feature. For that, you have to create a landscape for to apply this landmass. So I'm going to create a small landscape here, like 127 into 127 overall resolution, and you can see a blueprint option here. This has this landmass thing, which we already enabled that, so it will usually come to this blueprint. And let me just create this landscape. So usually people would sculpt like this. This usually will take a lot of time to create a mountain or sort of things, which will take a lot of time. So I would prefer using this landmass thing, which would be very fast, and you can create a procedural massive mountains or terrains without using this sculpting and things. Okay, so let me just show you how this landmass works. Open this blueprint. You have to open this manage. Under the manage, you will see this new import, select, add, delete, move, resize, spline and blueprint, this one. So and under that you will see this blueprint brush has enabled. You can see it defaultly enabled as none. So you have to choose this custom brush landmass. So this is the one which we are enabled in the plugin section. So click that blueprint landmass brush, which is this one. You can just drag and drop this thing where you want on the landscape, which is totally movable. You can use this gizmo to control this triangular shape landmass thing. So this layer has the landmass custom brush. Let me just remove this one. So if you toggle the visibility on, you will see this thing. You can untoggle this. So this layer has the landmass thing right now. So you can raise this massive landmass thing by using the gizmo, or you want to put it down, something like that. Okay, so this is completely procedural, and this is a cool feature from Unreal Engine 5.7. I think the previous version also has this feature, and we can actually rotate this by using the E key. Just click E on the keyboard, and by using this you can just rotate it, and you can upscale it Okay, so this is a cool feature, and this is very basic. Let me just show you how we going to create a mountain by using this landscape thing. So that would be more interesting than creating just a pyramid like structure here. Okay, so let me just one more thing I have to show you. If you click this thing or select this one, you can just right click this and you can just add spline point here. So you can control the spline, something like this. This is totally cool. Okay, you can control this spline. Okay, anyway, you can create let me just control the light. Okay, let me just create one more point here, add a spline point, and you can just, yeah, now it seems like a mountain. Now I want to do some changes here and there, so I can create a mountain procedurally. So you can see here on the right section, you can see a lot of settings here, and you'll see this landscape brush manager, okay, which has a lot of options. And let me just go through that settings. Okay, now you can see we have selected this alpha blend. You can use this minus or max. I'm going to select this alpha. Now you can see a cap shape here. If you select this one, it will be flat on the top of this mountain. I'm going to want that. And see, you can just fall off angle, change that, something like this. I don't want that. I'm going to make it a default variant like 45 degree. And you see this fall off width. Let me just, and you will see this Z offset, which totally offset the mountain. Let me just type 45. Yeah, and you can just randomly check this variant for fun. Just go to these settings. You will just change the settings, and you'll make something you want. And this material, we will discuss about this material on a different topic, on a different tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm just concentrating on this creating a mountain. Okay, you will see this spline mask scale. We don't have to deal with that. And the paint layer, and this one is very important. Under the effects, you'll see a list of effect that after the brush. Okay, you'll see these blur scapes. So if you apply that, the edges will be more smoothened. If you not apply this one, it will be strictly hard edges. See, if I'm going to mark this one, you'll see the hard edges, but if you blur shape this one, it will be smoothened. And you can control the smoothen settings here by increase the blur size into 1 or 2, something like that. Currently I'm just picking 2. And now the most useful thing here is the curl 1, curl 2, and tiling 2. This one is very important. So you can create a mountain. Okay, and tiling, which would be the alpha channel, is working as creating the curl tiling. If you increase the tiling curl, you will get this most natural looking curly effect to this mountain. Yeah, this looks good for me. So put that in your mind, that this variant curl noise, which is very important while you're dealing with creating a mountain. You can control the strength and use the tilings to increase the mountain curls, and you'll see this displacement height. And if you increase that, you will increase this displacement texture height. So it will be looks like this. If you increase a lot, you have to put some small values, something like this. So you will get this this displacement texture would be applied on this mountain. So you will get this. I'm going to select a value around 250. 450 is too much. Yeah, this looks good for me. And you can control this styling as well here. Okay, if you reduce that, let me just zero it, nothing happened. But if you're going to increase that, let me just 45 it. Okay, that's not good. You have to put a digit, something like a 4 or 5, which would be better. I think 5 would be better, seems more natural. Sorry, you can control the midpoint of this channel. Put this thing in the mind, the displacement texture. This is the displacement texture. You can change the texture here. T noise, it will be different, or you can use this some other noise. Just type there something like this one. Sorry. Or this one. Okay, cool. And very important, another part is this smooth blending option here. So you can see this side is not looking natural, so we need it to be very smoothened. Now this is very important, the smooth blending. So you can control this edges over here. This looks not natural. So you can just use this outer smooth threshold, just increase that, so it will be blended into this the landscape surface. So it will be more natural looking if you are creating a terrain, something like this. Okay, and you can control this one as well, the inner smooth threshold. Okay, and you can control this terrace alpha. Okay, oh, that's crazy. I'm going to totally up onto you. I don't need that. Okay, and terrace spacing. Okay, I'm not looking into terracing because I'm just satisfied with this mountain. I don't need terracing or something like that. You can just come over here and do other changes as well here. Like I'm going to put a value here, 65. No, I don't need that. I'm going to put a value like 35 here. Okay, 50. Yeah, this would be better. Yeah, this look good for me. Now again, I just need mountain to be look like this. So I'm going to use this curl strength. This is okay for me. I'll do some changes here. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, if you disable this blur shape, it will be looking I don't know what to say. This is looking very weird. So you have to use the blur shape. In DCC softwares, in Maya or 3D Max or Cinema 4D, or even in Houdini, if you increase the subdivision surface, it will be smoothen out. Okay, just like this, we are using this blurring. I think they are literally adding the subdivision to get this smooth. So here it named is named as blur shape instead of smoothing surface or subdivision surface. Okay, so that's the difference. So you can control this noise or displacement, everything in here. You can change the texture here, so it will be more different looking, and you can control this displacement height, and it will be very different. See, we simply created a huge massive mountain by using this landscape, and you can control this landscape mask. You can just drag and make this huge. You can increase the height and you can decrease it. It's totally, and you can, if you want to rotate it, you can just simply rotate it just like that. Okay, so it's very cool. This is a very nice feature to have in Unreal Engine, and you can control this size. Okay, let me just okay, let me just put that there, and I want to show you something that we can literally copy this thing, just like a Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. You can just select this one and open the landscape, and you will see this under the edit layer blueprint brushes. You can just select here and duplicate it, so it will be duplicated, and you can just drag and drop it here, so you can control the mountain just like that. This, how cool is it? Okay, this is a cool feature. You just simply created a mountain value by clicking, just duplicating a stuff, and you just created a huge mountain. And again, one more time, I'm going to duplicate it, and let me just put it here. Man, this is so cool. And one more time, duplicate it, and see, we literally created a huge mountain structure here by using this landmass. So just apply, if you would apply this nice master material texture or landscape texture over here, and it will be look more realistic mountain. And you can put some trees over here and there, and put some light, use the lights, and you can simply create a massive mountain space, something like that. And one more thing I just want to do, you can just simply increase the blur size, so it will be very smooth looking. Okay, if you want it, just go to here and increase the blur size, so it will be more smoothened, and I'm literally satisfied with this. All right, see, you can just simply create it, or if you want to downscale it, it's also possible. Just reduce the size. See, how cool is this? So yeah, I literally created something, and I can just change this noise texture, just okay. So this is how you create this, and how you use this landscape landmass setting by using this blueprint. Yeah, if you select this one, you'll see this custom painting tool created using blueprint, which is totally cool. you just enable this landmass. Let me show you one more time. Here just type landmass, and you can just enable this thing, and you can select this blueprint and select the custom brush landmass, and you can just create cool mountains, not like this. You can just put some effort into that. You can literally create a huge mountain or terrain by using this landmass, which it has this a lot of options like curve values, and you can control the height, and you can change the alpha textures. See the displacement texture here, you can control it, and you can smooth the texture edges by using this blur, and here you can smooth the interactive surface like outer smooth threshold, and you can control a lot of things here. So this is a cool feature in Unreal Engine. If let me just we can delete this here as well. Just select this one and remove. So yeah, and if you want to sculpt it here, you can do the sculpting here as well. Okay, if you are satisfied with this mountain, but you need to do some changes later, so you can just if you want to create a ramp over here, just select this one, and you can just grab here and add a ramp, and you can create a ramp over here. And if you want to smooth this, and just select the brush tool, and you can smooth it. So see how cool is this. Okay, so this is a cool feature in Unreal Engine 5.7. We can use this landmass settings by enabling it. Okay, this is totally optimized, game optimized as well. So yeah, that's it. So in this tutorial, I have shown you how to use this landmass to create massive terrains or mountains or something like that by simply creating this landmass settings or landmass layer brush, custom brushes, and you can just create a mountain, something like this. Okay, simply and also you can just duplicate this mountain and just drag it over here and put the mountains where you want. This is totally possible, and so that makes this so cool. Okay, yeah, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button, and please do share this tutorial to your friends and colleagues, so they will also learn this stuff. Yeah, so thank you for watching. This is Ashwandana signing off.